In this video, we will discuss how to set up a 3-go plus average competition. The definition of a 3-go plus average competition draw is, in this draw format, each competitor will run or ride 3 times, once in each go. Scores and times in each go will be used to calculate the dollar payouts and or points awarded in that specific go. The prize purse for the event will be divided between the 3 goes and the aggregate or average score. In this example, we will allocate the prize purse 15% to go 1, go 2, and go 3, and the remaining 55% to the average or the overall round. These will be set as per the instructions in splitting money between goes and average. You'll find it in that article. We will also demonstrate it in this video. So once you have your rodeo details set up, tap the Events tab, and then we'll tap the Add Events. We'll tap Add Round, and we will name this Goes, and we will set the number of goes to 3. And now, in order to set up the payout allocations or the prize purse allocations, we tap on payout allocations, and we want to set this to round and per go. The round represents the average. As we said, this would be 55%, go 1 at 15%, go 2 at 15%, and go 3 at 15%, for a total of 100. We tap OK, and now we will select the events, and we are going to make this easy to view, we will simply select a subset of the events here. We'll just pick 3 events, and then we confirm the events we wish to include in the competition. Of course, you could have selected all if that's the way that you will be setting up your competition, which is typical. So now it is time to set up the schedule for the 3 goes. So we'll tap the Performances tab, we'll tap Add Performance, and we will call this one Friday Go 1, and we will check that our start time, which is a Friday, and our start date and our start time are set correct. We can see our events here, and what you'll notice is we have Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3 for senior bareback. Group 1 represents Go 1, Group 2 is Go 2, and Group 3 is Go 3. Initially, these are all placed in the Friday, in the schedule for the Friday performance. We'll tap Done, and then we'll show you how to move those to Saturdays Go 2 and Sundays Go 3. So here we see, again, Group 1 through 3. In each of these, we will add a performance. We will call this performance Saturday Go 2. We will make sure that we set that date to the Saturday date. And then we'll tap Select. And we'll go through and we'll now tap on the Group 2 row that we wish to select for this performance. And when we tap Save, when we tap OK and Save, what we will see is we now have Friday Go 1 that has Groups 1 and 3, and Saturday Go 2 that has the Group 2 that we have just moved there. So we still need to move Group 3. So now we will add another performance. We will call this Sunday Go 3. We will make sure we have the Sunday date set, and this one we're going to start just slightly earlier at noon, and then we will select Group 3 of each of the events, and we will tell it OK. We'll tap on Save, and when this saves, now what we'll be able to see is we have Friday Go 1 with all Group 1, Saturday Go 2 with all of Group 2, and Sunday Go 3 with all of Group 3. One important note here on the payout allocations is that if you do not set the payout allocations, what we did set was Friday Go 1 has 15%, Saturday Go 2 will receive 15% of the purse, Sunday Go 3 will also receive 15% of the purse, and then the remaining 55% is being paid out to the average, calculated as the aggregate of Go 1, Go 2, and Go 3 times are scored. If you don't set it that way, then all of the money will be paid out simply based out on the average of the 3 goes. We can tap save or any of the icons at the top to save this schedule and events.